Hey everybody, I'm Bob Konserack. I'm the proposed CEO for First City Bank, and I'm delighted to be here this afternoon with one of our organizing members who's going to be a director of the bank, Mr. Gabe Chatham. Gabe, thanks for joining us.
Yeah, thank you, Bob. Appreciate the opportunity.
Help us understand, we're kind of doing these interviews, little one-on-ones. What got you interested in actually participating in this project?
Well, I grew up in North Fulton, and I've got two brothers, and we're in a family business with the rest of our family members. And growing up, we had a lot of great community banks. In fact, we were involved in several of those, even as kids, on a parade float, or maybe we'd go into some of these branches. We had some family members working at some of these banks. And so it was a real sense of community, of hometown in many of these community banks. But what we've seen here recently is all of these great local banks have been bought up, sometimes 2 or 3 times. And now, even though there's maybe great employees in a lot of these banks, there's no one who can help you make a local decision, no personal bankers that can really coach you through how to improve your business. And so, we're excited to form something of community members that really does serve our community well.
Thank you. Thank you very much. I'm excited about that too. I'm delighted and humbled with the organizing group that's coming together to go do this. You're going to be both an organizing member and a director. What is the community that you would like to champion?
Well, oftentimes, just through community relationships, we have many people who say, hey, I'm trying to grow my business, or hey, who can I go to for maybe a financial service that would happen through a local bank? So oftentimes we'll refer those people to maybe different banks we've worked with historically. But to think that we can refer folks to a local bank that has a great staff that we already know and have a great relationship with, that's directed by fantastic directors and managed by a good board. We just think there's so much upside, and we know people are going to get great care, great attention, and that ultimately it's about the customer and not the bank. And so we think with that kind of philosophy, we'll see these relationships thrive, the banks succeed, but also see all these great community members and their local businesses thrive as well.
Yeah, absolutely. Thank you for that, because we are recruiting some great folks, and I'm really pleased with the talent and the caliber of folks that want to join us on our team. And so we plan to do exactly that. So, 3 years, 4 years, 5 years from now, what would you like to look back on and be most proud of that you accomplished as a part of this project?
I'd like to think that I could be a part of a team here locally, whether it's the staff, the directors, the organizing members, and look back and think we helped create something, a vehicle within the community that really served well, and that local businesses can point to and say, that wasn't just my bank, but that was my partner. That was somebody who helped me along the way, gave me great advice, helped service my business well to help me go to the next level. And ultimately, that trickles down to their family, to their employees' families. And so it's not just strengthening us economically here locally, but also our great families, and to see really this tide take the entire boat up for businesses and local families.
That's fantastic. Well, we are raising awareness about what we're doing in the community. We will have a targeted offering for our stock capital raise. And so our target offering is for accredited investors, but we do have a website, firstcityo.com. We'll be delighted to have you check us out to learn more about what we'd like to accomplish in the community. And if you'd like to get on our mailing list and learn more about the bank, or sign up to be qualified for an offering circular, we'd love to talk to you about whether it is an investment that makes sense for you. So check us out, and thanks for joining us.